Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. Add a beautiful touch of nature into any room with this beautiful hanging planter. This is from Fashionoda, and I really love it because it is a heart shape, so it's super cute. But what's also really nice is that you can hang it not only inside, but outside. And you can hang it directly from the ceiling thanks to that chain that's included, or you can mount it right to the wall because it has a spot in the back for a nail. This planter also has a deep area so that your plants can be well rooted, and it has a button so that you can release water if you have too much that accumulates in the plant. I really love the sweet little touch that this heart-shaped planter adds into my bathroom. I needed an extra spot for a plant, and what better way than to showcase it by bringing some brightness and cheeriness to your day with plants and with heart shapes. I opted for the black mat because I really like how it matches everything in the bathroom area. If you also need to add a nice little plant into your space, this would look adorable over furniture or in a room or in a corner or even outside, and it would make a beautiful gift as well. But that's just my point of view.